Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a in-depth comparison of two popular investment platforms, Trade Republic and Degiro. If you are wondering which one suits your needs better, stick around as we explore their features, fees, usability, and much more. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, this video will help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. First of all, a quick overview. Trade Republic is a German based platform known for its simple mobile first approach. It's ideal for users who prefer convenience and accessibility. Degiro, on the other hand, in a Dutch platform with a reputation for offering professional grade tools at competitive costs, both are regulated and secure, but they cater to slightly different audiences. Let's break it down further. When it comes to fees, Trade Republic is incredibly straightforward. They offer fee, commission-free trading with a fixed €1 fee per transaction for third-party costs. T0 follows a more complex pricing model but often comes out cheaper for high-volume traders. For instance, their stock trading fees vary uh, by region but can be as low as 50 cents per trade. Keep in mind, Trade Republic does not charge for account maintenance, whereas D0 may include additional fees like connectivity costs. Next, let's talk about usability. Trade Republic's mobile app is sleek, minimalistic, and perfect for beginners. You can execute trades in just a few. DigiRo offers a more robust uh, platform, including a web-based interface and advanced charting tools, making it a better choice for experienced traders. However, the learning curve with DigiRo can be steeper. In terms of products, Trade Republic primarily focuses on stocks, ETFs, and derivatives. Their offering is relatively limited but sufficient for basic investing. DigiRo, however, provides access to a broader range, including bonds, mutual funds, and international markets, giving traders more flexibility and diversity in their portfolios. Security and regulation. Security is a paramount when choosing a trading platform. Both platforms are heavily regulated. Trade Republic is under the German Federal Financial Supervisory Authority, while DeGiro is regulated by the Dutch Authority for Financial Markets. Additionally, both platforms protect your funds with reputable compensation schemes so your investments are secure. Unique features. Trade Republic stands out for its savings plan feature, allowing users to invest automatically in ETFs and stocks periodically. Jijiro, on the other hand, shines with its advanced tools such as real-time streaming prices and in-depth market research. These features center to different investing styles, one for passive, the other for active traders. So, which platform is better? If you are a beginner looking for a hassle-free experience, Trade Republic is a great choice. But if you are an experienced trader seeking diverse markets and advanced tools, D0 might be the better option. Ultimately, it depends on your investment goals and style. That warps up our comparison of Trade Republic and D0. I hope this video helped clarify the key differences and strengths of each platform. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth investing content. Let me know in the comments which platform you prefer and why. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.